This is June 2006, paper 2, question 2. A remote control emits infrared waves to operate a television. The television receives infrared waves and radio waves. It emits light and sound. Which type of wave has the highest frequency? So we've got infrared, radio, light, or sound. Which has the highest frequency? Well, we've got to go back to our electromagnetic spectrum. So if we had longest wavelength here, so this would be our increasing frequency. Remember that the longest wavelength means that it has fewer waves per second, so that this is the one with the lowest frequency. So next to this one will be micro, and then we've got infrared, almost forgot, then light, then we've got UV, and we've got X-rays, and we've got gamma. Almost forgotten. So which is the one? So is it infrared? Well, no, because that's lower the frequency than light. Light could be light. Radio is the lowest. Sound isn't on our electromagnetic spectrum, so it would have to be light. Okay. B, explain how the graph shows that the infrared signal is digital. Well, it only has two values. Digital signals mean that they only have discrete signals. It's either on or off. You could say 0 or 9. A lot of people said 0 and 1. That's fine too, because the 1 would be on and 0 would be off. So digital, we're looking for the fact that it only has two values. Now, if you look at the mark scheme for this, which is available in the same place as you're finding these videos, suggest two ways that the signal could be made to carry more information. They've got here things in here which are way outside our syllabus, and that's intentional because people might know a lot about digital and they don't want to say, well, if you knew something that wasn't in the syllabus, you'd get it wrong. So the ideas that we knew would be to increase the bit rate. And all that means is that look at the time between the signals. So in 14 milliseconds, we send 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bits of information. So maybe we could send 28 bits in exactly the same amount of time. Therefore, we've sent more information. Also, you could have an additional level of strength. Now, this is linked to some of the others in there. So rather than going to 9, what if you had it to 4.5? And then you could have another signal, which is still digital, but oscillates between 0 and 4.5. That could be exactly the same as marking point 3, or add channels. Well, adding a channel could be a different way of doing it as well. Don't worry specifically about what the mark scheme says sometimes. Sometimes they will put different marks in that go beyond the syllabus just in case you would have got those questions. Okay, and that's question number 2.